Number 1. 1990 Ford F150. Price $8,700. With 103,600 miles on the body and a newly installed 5.0L engine that has less than 5,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission, power brakes, and power steering, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience. The red exterior and gray interior are well maintained, and the truck is completely rust-free, making it a solid and reliable classic. Several upgrades have been made, including new Warn brand locking 4x4 hubs for improved off-road capability and an aftermarket stereo system for modern convenience, with the original stereo included as well. This F-150 runs strong and has been well cared for, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable classic truck that's ready to drive. Number 2. 1996 Chevrolet 3500. Price $5,200. With 122,000 miles. It comes equipped with a powerful 7.4L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and an extended cab, making it a capable and versatile vehicle. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior features gray leather seats. A significant amount of work has already been done, and the truck has a clean title. It runs, drives, starts, and stops as expected, making it a solid candidate for further restoration or use as a dependable work truck. Though it requires bodywork, including repairs to the rockers and cab corners, the frame and floors are in great condition with no structural concerns. Number 3. 1996 Ford F250. Price $8,500. With just 88,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 7.5L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering reliable performance. The truck retains its original silver exterior and gray interior, both of which are in excellent condition. It has been meticulously maintained, keeping it as close to factory specifications as possible. Everything is in perfect working order, and the truck runs and drives smoothly without any issues. The interior is clean and well kept, with no major signs of wear. This F250 is truly one of a kind, offering a rare opportunity to own an all-original, unmodified classic. Whether for daily driving, collecting, or light work, this truck is a solid investment. A Carfax report is available to confirm its history and condition. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet S10. Price $6,800. With 160,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 4.3L TBI engine. It has a clean title and features a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, with all gauges functioning properly. It includes cruise control, a tilt wheel, working heat and air conditioning, and a Bluetooth head unit for modern convenience. Recent maintenance within the past year includes a new distributor and related components, new spark plugs and wires, an alignment, an AC compressor with a full recharge, and an oil change. It also has a Beltec 4.5 drop with a C-notch kit for improved stance and handling. The truck sits on stock wheels with good tire life remaining. There is a minor oil leak from the front of the engine, losing about a quarter quart every 5,000 miles. The exhaust has been patched, featuring new donut gaskets and a fabricated Y-pipe. Number 5. 1987 Chevrolet 1500. Price $10,000. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior. Under the hood, it features a powerful 5.3 LLT Chevy engine paired with a newly built 4L80E transmission from Monster Transmission. The truck is in overall good shape with minimal rust, maintaining its classic appeal while offering strong performance. It runs and drives well, making it a solid choice for a daily driver or a project truck. The odometer currently reads 190,000 miles, but it has not worked since the current owner purchased the truck last year. Based on previous records, the engine is estimated to have around 80,000 miles on it, while the transmission is brand new. Despite this, the truck remains mechanically sound and offers a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 1500. Price $8,000. Featuring a freshly built 400 SBC engine with less than 1,000 miles on it. The truck has a sleek gray exterior paired with a red interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. All documentation for the engine build and installation is available, along with a clean title, ensuring transparency in its history. Additionally, it includes a toolbox and a few extra parts, adding to its practicality and value. A brand new set of tires has been installed, and the truck starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well. Its solid frame and powerful engine make it a great choice for a reliable daily driver or a strong foundation for further customization. With its classic design and upgraded performance, this Chevrolet 1500 is a standout among vintage pickups. Number 7. 1992 Chevrolet 2500. Price $4,000. Featuring an automatic transmission. It has been swapped with a 5.3L engine paired with a 4L60E transmission, which shifts firmly and has performed reliably for at least 2 years without issues. All essential functions work as they should, including air conditioning, heat, cruise control, and washer fluid. The seats have been upgraded to power-heated seats from a 2009 Chevy Malibu, both of which function properly. While the exact mileage on the engine is unknown, it is estimated to have over 350,000 miles. The oil pressure gauge and temperature sensor need repairs, though the truck does have proper oil pressure, which can be verified using HP tuners. The RPM gauge is non-functional, and there is a minor oil leak from the valve cover seal. Number 8. 2000 GMC Sierra 3500. Price $5,500. This is a solid and dependable diesel truck with 303,500 miles on the odometer. It features a gold exterior, a tan interior, and an automatic transmission. The truck has a rebuilt title, with the passenger door, fender, and hood having been replaced. Despite its mileage, it remains rust-free and has been well maintained over the years. A Jasper transmission was installed at some point, and the rear end has recently been redone, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Mechanically, the truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, making it a great workhorse. While mostly stock, it does have a few minor issues, including a slight oil leak from the valve covers and a driver's side window that no longer rolls down. However, these do not affect its overall usability. With its durability and strong diesel powertrain, the Sierra 3500 is a great option for anyone looking for a capable heavy-duty truck. Number 9. 1986 Ford F150. Price $5,500. With 114,000 miles, featuring a tan exterior and matching tan interior. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 302 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and equipped with a 4x4 system with manual locking hubs. The truck runs exceptionally well, starting up smoothly every time. Recent maintenance includes new valve cover gaskets and multiple other repairs, with receipts available to verify the work. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and all mechanical components operate as they should. The interior is in great shape overall, with the rear seat looking nearly new, though the front seat needs reupholstering. The interior plastic is well preserved. The body is remarkably rust-free, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. Other than a small dent on the passenger door, the exterior is in impressive condition. Number 10. 1984 Dodge D150. Price $10,000. This truck has been rebuilt and customized, featuring a sleek black exterior with a gray interior. It has a manual transmission and has been driven only 100,000 miles. The truck has received new wheels, tires, paint, bumpers, a visor, and a refreshed interior, making it a standout classic. Under the hood, it runs strong with a 318 V8 engine, though the engine is not original and has not been modified. It has been driven less than 100 miles since the customization and has been carefully garage-kept, preserving its excellent condition.